Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by preparing your Maya project so everything stays organized and predictable. Set the project folder and import front and side reference images. Make sure they're roughly the same scale. Next, create primitives, cube for body, cylinder for limbs, so you can block out proportions quickly. Use grid snapping and set units to centimeters to match real-world dimensions. Once done, lock references and name your layers clearly. This makes iterative changes fast and keeps your scene tidy as you refine. You now refine the blockout into clean topology using quad modeling techniques. Start extruding faces and inserting edge loops to define major forms and merge vertices to remove unwanted poles. This maintains clean edge flow. For hard surfaces, add bevels to support edges before smoothing. For organic curves, rely on smooth and relaxed edge flow. Make sure to model with symmetry enabled where possible. Once the main form reads correctly, you can collapse mirrored history and manually tweak asymmetry for realism. You finish by preparing the model for texturing and export. Unwrap UVs cleanly, using a few UDIM if needed and 2-4 mm padding to avoid bleeding. Bake maps, normal, ambient occlusion, curvature, to catch shading details, then export as FBX with construction history deleted. For troubleshooting, test the mesh in the render viewport and use wireframe and normals overlays to find flipped faces or non-manifold geometry. If you spot artifacts, revert to the saved incremental file, fix topology, and rebake. This keeps your final asset clean and reliable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.